Hello everyone! We're back with another super question. Most people get this wrong. What is 33 divided by 3 times 3? Try it before I solve it, and write your answer in the comments. I would appreciate it if you liked the video. First, let's do the division. 33 divided by 3 equals 11. Now, the subtraction. 11 minus 3 equals 8. Finally, we do the multiplication. 8 times 3 equals 24. The answer is 24. If you solved it this way, you made a mistake. Because we didn't pay attention to the order of operations. We code the order of operations as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. We have one more feature here. There's no order between multiplication and division. Operations are performed from left to right. Similarly, there's no order between addition and subtraction operations are performed from left to right. Let's apply this rule to our question. First, we do division and multiplication. 33 divided by 3 equals 11. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now let's do subtraction. 11 minus 9 equals 2. The answer is 2. We did both the incorrect and the correct solution together. And we learned the rule. I hope you understand. We've reached the end of our video. Now solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments. Let's see if you can find the correct answer. Subscribe from the logo on the screen for new videos. You can check out other videos from the boxes next to it. See you in the next video!